How to join someone on Roblox without being friends. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and search Restore All Roblox Server List. Then click on the first link that pops up, which is Chrome Web Stores. Then click on Add to Chrome in here. After that, at the top, click on Add Extension. After your extension is added, simply open Roblox and then log into your account. After you've logged in, click on puzzle-like option at the top right. And then in there, simply select Restore All Roblox Server. Then turn on Auto Search. After you have turned on Auto Search at the bottom, make sure you add their username as well. Then reload Roblox. Simply click on the game which they might be in. And then at the bottom, you will find different servers. Search for the person with their Roblox avatar and then join the server. And this is how to join someone on Roblox without being friends. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.